Okay, let's get into some word problems. So we're going to use our cubes method where we circle important numbers, underline the question, box action words, evaluate and solve. So it says that you want to donate 20% of your paycheck. So I see 20 and that's a percent of your paycheck each month. I'm going to go ahead and since we're using the word of, that's kind of one of our indicators. I'm going to underline that. Doesn't necessarily mean I need to use that, but it might be a clue. And then the question we want to know is, what is your paycheck if you donated, oh, I see another number, $16.45. So these ones we might have to think through. Might not just like immediately know. Okay, so if we're donating 20% of something, that means that the something, so of the paycheck, is going to be the whole, right? We can't donate more than what we have. Can't give away more than what we have. So of your paycheck, which means that we donated $16.45. So we're just donating a portion of the paycheck. So that's going to be the part. Okay? And I know that's tough because there's this is right here. So that's why I like to think of it as the part and the whole rather than is and of every single time. Because there might be extra is's in there, might be extra ofs in there. So then we're going to write our proportion. So the part over the whole is equal to the percent over 100. So the part, the piece of what my paycheck is that I'm giving away is $16.45 over, we want to know how much the total paycheck is, so we don't know what it's out of, is equal to, we're giving away 20%, so 20 is our percent, over 100. And then cross multiply. So we got our question mark times 20 is equal to, cross multiply the other way, $16.45 times 100. So we can do this multiplication here. So we're still going to have a question mark times 20 because I don't know what that is. And then we get 1,645. Then I'm going to get rid of this times 20 by doing the opposite thing of dividing by 20. And then we have a question mark equal to 82.25. We're talking about money, so I need to put dollar sign. Okay, so this one says an 80%, so circle numbers as we see them, is a letter B grade. If the quiz is out of 15 points, so I'm going to circle my numbers. How many do you need? How many points do you need in order to earn a B? So we want to know how many points do you need? Underline our question. And then I see the word of. So the first thing I want to do is this 80 is my percent. It has a percent sign. That's got to go there. Okay. Then I have to figure out, is 15 the part, the smaller piece, or the whole, the total? Well, it's out of 15. That's the total. So 15 is our whole, and we are looking for the part. So we write our proportion, the part over the whole equals the percent over 100. We do not know the part, so I'm going to put a question mark there. The quiz is out of a total of 15 points. And we want to know, what is 80%? So we're going to cross multiply my question mark times 100. Equals, and then cross multiply the other way. 15 times 80. I'm going to multiply what I can. 15 times 80 is 1,200. On this side, we still got question mark times 100. So to get this by itself, I need to get rid of this times 100. I'm going to do the opposite, which is divide by 100. And I got to keep them balanced, so I got to do it on both sides. We got the question mark, the thing we don't know, is 12. So you need 12 out of 15 points to get a B. Right, so I know that can be a little bit confusing. You can't always rely on the is and the ofs to help you out. They're a good starting place for sure. But make sure that you're reading and figuring out, does this number go with the part or does it go with the whole? Okay, that's it.